I agree, Jello. Hindi na rin ako nag-attempt kasi nga meron kang dalawang coaches na umikot para sa'yo.
Opo.
So, mukhang mahihirapan ka magdesisyon.
Normally, hindi ako nagiging hadlang sa tadhana kung talagang pakiramdam ko dapat mapunta ka sa kanya. Pero
Opo.
nakakabilib yung boses mo eh. So,
Thank you po, thank you.
Ang sa akin lang, I felt I had to turn. But for me, it's like I needed you to know that you deserved more than one person turning for you. But your talent is something. It's very special. It's unique. The voice is unique.
Thank you po.
That song means a lot to me. Pero yun, di ako umikot para doon because of that. Umikot ako because I heard something soulful in your voice. Gusto ko yung tayo mo, yung salita mo, the way you look at us when you speak. Gusto ko rin yun. These are mga attributes. I don't know how to say it in Tagalog. Katangian. Yeah, katangian na gusto ko sa Camp Kawayan. There's a weight in your eyes. There's something you want to say na I think we would be a good pair. Di ba? May lalim ka, may lalim ako. Di ba? Kailangan mo na pumili.
Pinipili ko po tong coach na to kasi po alam ko na madami po siyang maituturo sa akin. Pipiliin ko po ay si coach. Coach Bambo po. Yeah! Thank you po.
Hey, man. Good! Good job, Jello. Lalagay ko lang sa likod mo to. Okay. Good job. Okay. We're gonna enjoy this. Ay, thank you then. Oh, it's a pleasure for me. Thank you very much.